Hey, what's going on, everyone? Here today I got a 2014 Porsche 911 Carrera. We added Apple CarPlay to the factory screen along with a backup camera. To activate the Apple CarPlay here on your head unit, what you're going to do is you're going to hit the Navi button. Takes you into the module. Through your iPhone, you're going to connect via Bluetooth. Once it's connected, you're going to hit the CarPlay, and your Apple CarPlay comes right up on your factory screen. Also, the backup camera is integrated right to it. Throw it in reverse. Camera comes right up. Put it in the park and drive. Goes right back to the screen. If you want to exit out, hit the home button. Hit the nav button. Takes you back right to the factory radio. And there you have it. Apple CarPlay, backup camera, integrated to factory screen, and a Porsche 911. Thank you guys for watching.